raining again, and with every drop, memories haunt me. If I could turn back the time, maybe I will slow it down. I will do everything to spend more time with her and love her. I remember those days when I started to appreciate her. She's really amazing. She never failed me and left me. Her love is much more than others can give. I remember those moments we walked and laughed together. The things that we used to do. The things that make her happy. This street always reminds me of a great mom. The place where I feel what pure love is. But I never thought that it would last.
Di ba sabi ko huwag mo na kihatid? Yung mo sinelas mo baliktad at nakakahiya. Wala ka kasi!
The saddest thing the storm did to my life. I never saw her again. I was not given a chance to say that I love her. That I want to take care of her. But it all ends. It all ends.
The onslaught of Typhoon Pablo led to the deaths of over 40 people in Compostela Valley. Even military personnel who were supposed to conduct rescue operations were not spared.
The ABS-CBN news team that arrived in New Bataan, Compostela Valley saw the devastation brought by Typhoon Pablo.
I'm afraid that it will rain again. But suddenly, it stops. Indeed, every raindrop, memories are created. I regret those days when I was not able to tell her that I love her. But then again, the sun will shine and will relieve the pain and guides me as what my mom did to me.